Hello everyone, welcome to Sunday Production Workshop. Right now, we will be producing hundreds of 2XL to 1 mid-range cabinet. And you can see some of them behind me. But today I'd like to talk with you about something important, the wiring of components inside a distribution cabinet. Wiring in a distribution cabinet involves properly connecting and organizing all electrical components according to design specification. These components include circuit breaker, contactor, relays, meter, indicator lights, switches, transformers, and terminal block. They will work together to contact, control, protect, mail, transmit, signal in the power system. So let's take a look together. Component wiring is a critical part of installation and commissioning process of distribution cabinet. It directly affects the safety and reliability of equipment operation, and is usually done by experienced electricians or electrical technicians. That's all for today. Wish everyone a happy Mid-Autumn Festival in advance. Don't forget to enjoy some mooncake. Thanks for watching. See you next time.